Hello, what's up, people? Welcome back to Twisted Flavors. So, today we'll be seeing how to prepare this 83 calories delicious soup. Unbelievable, right? Have you ever thought there is going to be a soup with just 83 calories and lots of vegetables and with just 5 minutes ka cooking time? No, right? Even I was shocked. So, without any further ado, let me teach you how to prepare this delicious soup, which also aids for a weight loss. Let's get started. So, take a saucepan, add 2.5 glasses of water into it, and after that, we'll be adding our vegetables. Before adding the vegetables, let it boil for just 30 seconds. Now we'll be adding our vegetables like onions, some carrots, tomatoes. As I'm just preparing for 2 persons here, so I have taken everything of one large sized vegetable. That means one large onion, one large carrot, and one large tomatoes, one large beans, and 2 to 3 chilies. So once we have added our vegetables, just mix them and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes with lid closed. It has lots of vegetables and we are just boiling the vegetables. So I would say you can consume it for 2 to 3 times a week, which is very good as it also aids the weight loss. Here our vegetables has been cooked. Now we can add our tasting ingredients like salt, pepper, vinegar, soya sauce. So first we'll be adding salt to taste. So here I am taking around 1.5 teaspoon of salt, not more than that. And next we'll be adding pepper. I like my soup to be little spicy. So here I'm adding around same 1.5 teaspoon pepper powder. If you want, you can just add around half teaspoon, and later on you can add your extra pepper. And half teaspoon of white vinegar and just 2 drops of soya sauce. You can skip the soya sauce if you don't have. And now we'll be preparing our cornstarch mixture. So 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with around 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon water. We are using just cold water or normal temperature water. Don't use hot water as it forms lumps and will be difficult to dissolve. Now we'll be adding this cornstarch mixture or water into our soup so that the soup thickens a bit. I don't want my soup to be too thick. I want it to be little runny so that I can drink the soup easily. After preparing and mixing this cornstarch, we'll keep cooking it and make our egg mixture. So here I am taking 2 eggs, crack them, beat them properly and keep it aside just for 10 seconds. By the way, I will be adding the caloric and nutrient value of this soup down in the description below. So go and check it out. Once our egg mixture is ready, we will be pouring the egg mixture into the soup pan by stirring with the spatula continuously so that you can see that white flakes kind of egg forming on top of the soup, which needs to be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. And yes, our soup is now ready to have, which is made just under 5 minutes and it's so delicious. It also aids for weight loss and it's healthy. Who doesn't like to have this soup? You can serve this soup with a little bit of spring onions or coriander on top and add just a pinch of pepper if you want your soup to be more spicy. And like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more such recipes. Bye bye.